So this next song is Crazy Man Michael, which is a Fairport Convention song.
Yeah, I think it was really the song that allowed me to be confident with fingerpicking, and certainly for coincidence and similarity. And it's also one we've done quite recently.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful song about a guy who's just kind of lost his mind, really. And Richard Thompson wrote it because at the time his partner died in a car crash, I believe.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's quite a sad song. So this is Crazy Man Michael.
Within the fire and out upon the sea, crazy man Michael was walking. He met with a raven with eyes black as coals, and shortly they fell a-talking. Your future, I will tell to you. Your future, you often have asked me. Your true love will die by your own right hand, and crazy man Michael will cursed be. Michael he ranted, and Michael he raved, and beat up the four winds with his whistle. He laughed and he cried, he shouted and he swore, for his mad mind had been trapped with a gissel. You speak with an evil, you speak with a hate, you speak for the devil that haunts me. For is she not the fairest in all the broad land? Your sorcerer's words are to taunt me. Took out his dagger of fire and of steel, and struck down the raven through the hollow. The bird fluttered long, and the sky it did spin, and the cold earth did wonder and startle. Oh, where is the raven that I struck down dead? For there he did lie on the ground. Oh, I see my true love with a wound so red, and his lover's heart it did pound. Oh, crazy man Michael, he wanders and calls and talks to the night and the day. Oh, his eyes they are sane, and his speech it is clear, and he longs to be far, far away. Oh, Michael, he whistles the simplest of tunes, and asks of the wild wolves their pardon, for his true love has flown into every flower grown, and he must be keeper of the garden.
Thank you.
Thank you.